Hey, it's Dominic. I'm gonna show you some moves.
Everything quiet in the base real hard, and I stay geeked up. Never been
First,
a
we're gonna do
retard.
cat
Got a
daddy,
new push
jerk.
flag and this hit for y'all, so we
Second cat
gotta keep
daddy,
it separate like the jump
third
roll
douggie.
laws. I'm a king, and I guess
Dominic will start you off with the basic moves, the reject. Alright, 50 side. Go up, back, slide up. Slide up. Really deep back. Alright, watch. Feet. Now, alright, let me shoot that one more time. Let me get my shoes on so it's what he using. When he starts off with dip. Alright, we're gonna first time we'll teach you what to do half dip.
Clothes like Rocky. Pretty girl on my swag, she loving
That's half dip.
like
Full dip.
iPod, just touch it
Like that, but you gotta move to a basically this is what I do.
Done iPad on my way, I'm leaving. She like, where you going? I ain't got my shoes in first. I said, it's none of your concern. And she yelled, so I walked out the door, car blew through. Told him it's a function, he said, I'm on my way. We put up to the party, I took off my shirt and got geeked up. And I got jerked in. We was jerking to the right, jerking to the left. And she popped it down the low and she was still half dressed. She like, for real jerk, you let me put this stuff in the whole party. But all I could hear was, wow, 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 wow. Why you slipping like the I'm a jerk, you ain't never lie, but acting the third. Call me jerk when it's time. I know, I know, I know.
Everything quiet in the base real hard, and I stay geeked up. Never been a retard. Got a new push flag and this hit for y'all, so we gotta keep it separate like the jump roll laws. I'm a king, and I guess I'm a jerk, and I go for big times with your boy here first. Man, you call me a body with your little jerk lines. You see, you brought it up. But the joke is mine. You squeezing, I'm squeezing. Let the shower is
that's my cousin.
coming to the front. You can push that back. Got the girl on the side. She talking a little stuff.
We're gonna keep it like that so you just see what our the cat daddy and Doug are gonna have to show our body. Yeah.
Check this out, baby girl. Why don't you check out a nigga? Man, I go to work. Jeans skinny. Like Squidward. Looking for your girl.
Sorry, technical difficulties. The music just keeps skipping. We'll get to it. Alright, basically, someone cat daddy will be like, yeah, hands together. Do this like that. Make sure that your left hand goes like
Just
that.
missed it, then my cat daddy and I took it down. Timber. Wrist cold, mama call it winner. Swisher full of nuggets, daddy call it dinner. Baby got ass, y'all call it thinners. BS Jackson's gilly with the liver. Cat daddy when I Dougie, cat daddy when I remember.
I guess we're gonna go to the Dougie.
Competition, see the crease, they surrender, smoking one.
By the way, the jerk, cat daddy, and Dougie all go together in one dance game. By the way, if I can tell you our names, I'm Dominic, and that's Mikey. Getting used to it. And I'll be in the back in a minute. So just enjoy orange. Just enjoy the bottle of apple juice. Dude, get that off. I'll be back.
You know, this need me. You know, this need me. I drop this in the club when I be
Okay, so basically for this, Hold your arms out like this. Cross. Yeah, rock. Yeah. It is. For your feet. Like this. They need to see your feet and your body. They need to see what your body looks like. So, show us how you do it step by step. Like this. Duck. Swipe. Rock. Knees outside. Watch his knees while he does it. This way. This way.
Everybody love it. Everybody love it. Everybody love it. Green mix, they be like smooth. You know you got a rip on a remix. I'm telling these guards better work on your defense. I'm Kobe in the clutch. You other duck, and I'm no beat Jennings getting Milwaukee Bucks. What's the deal? I'm fresh like Dougie, and I keep
Alright. Mikey and